This is the deadest my collection will ever sound.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Polk County and Central
The
Florida.
fact that the alert switch is off on the 519.
At 4:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast.
I might as well just turn the things back on again.
Hazard 60 miles an hour, wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Shit, is this for full hand?
Locations impacted include Fort Wind 5 to 10 knots. Seas around 2 feet.
Casey very also assuming that.
Large hail and damaging winds and continuous clouds and ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
Terrible?
Move indoors immediately.
Uh-oh.
Lightning is one of nature's weaknesses. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
This is unexpected.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Polk, Florida.
NNN. NNN. Alright. Well, hello, Mr. Severe Thunderstorm Warning.